Hi there, this is Doc Mountain and I welcome you to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can edit your details on Meyo. So this is how you do it. You open Meyo. This will actually demonstrate how you can actually change your profile pic and how you can actually change your name, the nickname, so that you add a superscript. So what you do is head on to the description section, then copy the superscript hard boiled. A superscript helps members of the family to identify you to be a member of the family. So you click in the bottom right corner, and then when you get here, you see your profile pic, your name, then click the profile pic in the top left corner. Tip. Okay, so now in the top right corner, there is a box and there's something like a straight line penetrating it. Click it. So you can now see that there's somewhere they're saying click to edit, right? You can edit the picture by clicking it, and then you say okay. You can either use the camera or go by photo. So I'll go by photo so that I pick one of the pictures from my gallery. Click allow, click gallery, and we are in. So I can look around just to pick a pic from here. So I'm gonna go by pic zone. Then I look around for a pic that I'm looking for. Sana kulande amona weni. Okay. Why can't I use this? Oh, where are the other pictures? Okay, let me use this one. Yeah, beautiful. This one looks awesome. Awesome. And it has been changed. So we can upload more pictures. You can upload more pictures here. 4 photos, a minimum of 4 photos. Allow. So let's one. Then which other one? 2, 3, a minimum of 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8. Okay, so now we click complete. So we have actually uploaded other pictures. Come on. They're getting uploaded. And for doing that, you're given 2 gold coins. And there we go. All the pics have been uploaded. So now let's go back. Okay, so there's somewhere where it says photo. So we were editing the photo. Now you can edit the data. Say click data. Then say voice signature, social personality, the game, the name, let me see, constellation, country, Zambia, location, Mongo, job. All these have to be edited from here. So your nickname, since that's your interest, you simply click there, then you happen to tap and hold, and then you paste, and you're going to have, let me show, unless we show you some of you delete your surname, then tap and hold, then you paste in hardboard, then from there you click save, boom, and you'll be here. Then you can change other details like location, the job, the body type, annual income, education, the university. Okay. Status. Can indicate whether you're married or not. Then you click OK. Accept dating. Self-introduction. Unwavering. Determination. Unwavering determination is my middle name. Unwavering determination is my name. Boom, we are set. Okay, so these are the things, the attractive part, smile, weight, can I indicate 75, 76 kg, 77, height 168. The job, civil servant. Annual income, less than 5K. Body type, husky, slim, okay, well proportioned. Okay, so accept, yes. Okay, so now that we are set, guard card, social personality, choose your fruit. Which one will be a fruit? Grab all that. Peach. Oh yeah. Then voice signature on top there. It's just a matter of you reading what you're seeing up there. Let me just check. Alright, so we can click the mic icon at the bottom while and when we are done, everything will be changed. Boom. Come on. It's loading. Everything has been updated. So that's how we do it, baby. That's how we do it.